Today we bring the wow products SL513 and SL502 for vintage classic Mercedes trucks. Both these products have rubber base and PMMA lenses. They have exact same curvature which is there on the Mercedes trucks of 1000 series and 2000 series. We can use bulbs in this. There is a nice bulb holder, and these lamps are available with very few companies worldwide, and Bajato Automotive Lighting is one of them. You can see the trucks in these pictures where these lamps are used. They are used on the front part of the truck and also on the side of the truck.